Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tanisha and this is Twin Mom on a Budget, where double love meets financial freedom. Join me on this incredible journey as I navigate the twin mom life while conquering debt one step at a time. From budgeting hacks to cash stuffing to tackling my debt, I'm here to share my experience and hopefully inspire others to crush their financial goals. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Hey guys, welcome back. We are here for March number 4's cash planning. This is the second half of my March 13th paycheck. This is part of being a salaried, semi-monthly paid employee. This paycheck, where are my glasses? Thank you, Naraya. This paycheck, this cash planning, cash stuffing, is only going to cover me from March 20th through March 26th. I do not get paid again until March 31st. So that is an additional 27, 28, 29, 30, 4 days. 4 days that I have to cover for between when I get paid again. But you'll see what I'll do. This is where I use sinking funds to help me get through those times. Hold on one second. Sorry, Naraya's tablet was loud. Okay, so yes, this is where I'm going to use sinking funds and to help me cover in those last few days if you're new to my channel. So that definitely helps me just covering those weekly expenses that I need to cover when there's a longer stretch between pay periods, because this is an 18-day stretch between when I last got paid on March 13th and when I next get paid on March 31st, which falls on a Tuesday. So enough about that. I just want to kind of give some insight into why this is not going to cover me to the end of the month, but I have a plan. So we're going to be cash planning today in the amount of $1,520. So I already did my weekly wallet for $270. Oh, let me turn my, let's see. Okay, so we still have $1,250 remaining after the weekly wallet expenses. And so let's go into our bills binder. This will be the last cash planning for our April bills to be covered. So this is definitely smaller in comparison to the other amounts that the other weeks where I'm cash planning. So internet is going to get 6. AT&T phone is getting 40. My bill is going up because I have now the insurance on my phone. My phone has been paid. My other phone has been paid off for a while, so I didn't have insurance, but I did get insurance on this phone to cover in case anything happens. Okay, sorry guys. Both twins are in the room and yeah, we're going to get through it. Okay, city utilities is going to get $10. CoServe is getting $50. I just do $200 every single month for CoServe to help me with those months where the bill is high. And after that snowstorm we got, the bills were high. So I lost a lot of my credit balance. So just trying to build it up because summers are really, really bad here in Texas. IRS is going to get 25. That's a 20 and a 5. Things are finally settling down at work and daycare. Monthly subscriptions is getting 25. So that is good. I was like, I need a very uneventful work week. Let me know down below how everyone's week is going, how your weekend was. Progressive is getting 25. We had a drastic temperature change this past week where we went from 80s on Sunday to 40s as the high on Monday. Rent is going to get its last amount, which is $583. So that's going to be 5 100s, a 50, a 20, a 10, and 3 ones. right? 5, 50, 70, 83. Okay, yeah, perfect. Renter's insurance is going to get 5. And then Vivid, which is my security system, is going to get 11. Okay, so that is all of our bills. So, okay, so we still have $470 remaining after our bills. So let's go into high priority sinking funds. All right. In high priority sinking funds, car maintenance is going to get 25. Skipping car registration, that's already fully funded. Grocery buffer, I'm just going to do 5. So I will be pulling, this is one of the sinking funds that I'll be using for those few days I have to cover. Household items is getting 10. Medical, I'm going to do 10. Let's see. Personal hygiene. This got used. Only have $18 in there. I'm going to do 10. And then toll tag. I did not skip it this time. I was getting 10 because I just had to go through a bunch of tolls to go to work. And then twins necessities is going to get its normal 25. So it's a 20 and a 5. Okay. So after high priority, let's see what we have. Okay, so we still have $375 remaining after our high priority sinking funds. When I'm losing the sunlight. Okay. Next up is our personal funds binder. All right. I do want to add some money into clothing. Clothing's going to get 10, and that'll bring this to $350. I do want to add something to daycare, so I'm going to do 25 to daycare. Family fun is going to get $10. I moved my home decor envelope into this binder just because I felt like it was a better fit in here, even though it's not the same like style. I feel like this made more sense than in my low priority binder. Noah's savings. I think I'm gonna do in this Boy Mom Savings Challenge from Angela Imso's budget. We'll do another 15, and then we'll do 15 for Noah savings, and then we'll do the same thing on the Girl Mom Savings Challenge from Angela. We'll do the 15 for Naraya. Oop. All right. My sinking fund, I'm going to do just $5 this week. And then twins, I'm going to do 10. And their sinking fund. Nothing in twins activities this week. I'll probably fund that when I do my savings challenge reallocation. So let's see what we have. We did 10 for clothing. Okay, so we still have $285 after our personal funds binder. And so now let's go into low priority sinking funds. I do have a nail appointment this week and getting my toes done. Okay, so first up is, I feel like I'm on such a slant. Try not to. Costco's gonna get 10. We did go on a Costco run, so this has definitely been used. I also used fitness when we went to Costco, 10 and fitness. Health was used as well. They had the Nasacort, the nasal spray on sale. I had run out, and I can tell that I need it right now. So health is going to get 10. All right, health is going to get 10. So let me go ahead and do these. Okay, so we still have 255. This fell off right before I started filming, so it was already off. Nails is going to get its usual 40. All right, now into my YouTube section. Business subscriptions, I'm going to do 5. We're so close to finishing this out for my next subscription. And then I want to add $5 into cash stuffing supplies. So 45 and 5. Okay, so we still have 205 remaining after our low priority sinking funds. So let's go into holidays. Oops. Okay. First up is birthday. I'm going to add in 10. Let's celebrate let's celebrate. It's going to get 5. Our spring savings or sinking fund, I'm going to add in the last $5 from the spring fund savings challenge from Sarah, Budging Mom of Girls. So exciting. And that will help me fund my family fund envelope. So just for any activities the twins and I do this season. And then we finish Easter, Mother's Day. Mother's Day, we're going to start Mother's Day. This is a savings challenge from Sarah, Budget Mom of Girls, and I'm going to do 15. This will save $100 when it's done. So you guys know Mother's Day here in the US is coming up in May. So yeah, I got to save up for my mom. Okay, so we still have 170 left. That's awesome. So, $30. I always budget 30 a week if you're new to Freebie Friday. But I also added any rollover from my wallet into my Freebie Friday. So that definitely helps with those savings challenges. And so we have $140 remaining after that. And that's all going to go into my savings challenges. And let's see. I always do 21s. I try not to do too many ones, but it's good to have ones for those. Let's do 6 5s for 30. That's 90. Let's do 5 10s for 50. And I'm going to do 2 20s for 40. Okay, perfect. All right. Yes. So let me quickly grab my teller slip. I need some more teller slips. Quickly do my teller slips. I'm going to calculate up the denominations so I can put this on here and get the money out of the bank. This is the second half of my March 13th paycheck, so the money is already there. I just need to pull it out. So let me quickly calculate so we can go to the bank. Oh my goodness, y'all. Twins were distracting me. Okay, let's see. Have the math is mathing. Yes. Okay. So perfect. First try, y'all. Okay, so let's add this on here really quick. We got 550s. We got a ton of 10s and 5s, y'all. Okay, so I will take this for $1,520. I will take this to the bank, pull out the money, and I will see you. Actually, you'll see me in my Freebie Friday tomorrow for number three Freebie Friday, and then my cash stuffing will be on Sunday. So hopefully you all like this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And until next time, bye.